I know they got the master pack of the keys. I might gotta get an associate or something.
Shot fired by me. If he ain't gon' slide, nigga don't slide. If he ain't gon' ride, nigga don't ride. Who the hard damn waste no time. Who my gang ain't no dime. I'm to decide what I wanna be. Hope I don't die.
Oh yeah, David. Oh, you going crazy.
Alright y'all, but before we go ahead and start looking for the trash can, I'm going to go ahead and introduce, you know what I'm saying, my slide crew, man. Something coming new to the channel, man. I'm going to have my slide crew knocking out bangers, pranks. I'm going to go ahead and let them introduce themselves real quick, you know what I'm saying.
Buddha.
1K. Isaac.
Hey, don't play with them boys. We finna be going crazy with the pranks, man. I got my youngest right here, man. You know it ain't no stopping me. Y'all already know that. Got some more slide crew members, man. This is not all the slide crew right here, man. I got some more coming. They gonna be introducing themselves in the next videos, man. So y'all stay tuned, man. But we finna go ahead and start. So we can go ahead and get started. No cap, let's do it. All right, y'all. As y'all can see, man, we have made it to the outside area. As you can see, I got my boy Buddha. So he gonna be the first one in the trash can, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna be the one pushing him around, knocking, letting them know when the people post it up, you know what I'm saying? Cause they gonna get it, no cap. Oh yeah, I got you. You gotta move that over. Be careful, be careful.
Give him like a shoulder or some shit.
You good? I got you a foot placement. Man, we finna go crazy, man. Yeah, go ahead and show them what you finna be doing. Show them what you got in the lunchbox. Lunchbox full of ammo. Don't play with my boy. I promise you, don't play with him. I need y'all, everybody comment, don't play with him, cause we. Oh yeah, he popped my man. Hey Buddha, what you gonna do to him, man? What you gonna do?
Pop somebody.
He said I'm gonna pop somebody. Stop playing with him, man. So y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Y'all subscribe. We going crazy. No cap. Y'all stay tuned.
Oh, you going
Yes,
crazy.
sir. Y'all already know what that means. Let's do it. What these folks got going on? Man, they know they got them drugs way too expensive on. I know they got the master pack of the keys. I might gotta get an associate or something. Oh, he look. I got you some coming up.
My charm like a crystal ball. And I pull up, make a wish, making it a profit. Big boy racks, I'm popping. Walking the drip and styling. Drip, lot of dripping, it came out the faucet, splash. Pull me up. Where is the cleaning stuff at? I'm sorry about that, excuse me. Big ass cart. How was inside the trash can?
It was hot.
Oh, it was hot. No cap, bro. But yeah, we finna go ahead and switch them out with somebody else. You know what I'm saying? Cause it do get a little hot in there. I know, cause I've been there. Oh snap, we got some narcs. Hey man, bitch slide. We finna slide. All right, y'all, man. As y'all can see, man, I guess we just got kicked out of Lowe's, so we finna head to another Lowe's or Home Depot, whatever it is, man. Cause we was popping too much people in the store. Like we literally hit everybody in the store. Like there was not one person we missed. Like we literally pulled up on everybody inside the store. But yeah, we finna go to Home Depot and try them up and stuff like that. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe, man. Y'all stay tuned. Let's do it.
We use that little yellow one?
Alright, I'm gonna hold that bit.
I don't fit in this bit.
Are you gonna fit? Do you see how he was doing it? So you got a good idea?
Act like you go. Act like
You gotta do a practice one. Go ahead. One time for ShlideTv. No cap. One time. Oh, he got it. Alright, that's a bet. Hey, y'all stay tuned, man. We finna go crazy. No cap. Yes, sir. No, that's a cap. $59, $69, $39, $49, $63. What was your experience in the trash can?
That shit was hot, my eyes hurt.
I already know it was hot, man. The hot box, don't play. Yeah, y'all, I'm not even gonna lie. The Home Depot workers was looking kind of suspicious, but we're gonna switch it out one more time just to see what his aim talking about real quick. Leave a comment and tell me who had the best aim out of the three, man. Y'all stop playing with my slide crew, man. We finna go crazy with the bangers, man. Y'all think it's a joke. I'm gonna show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all, better not tell you.
after we're gonna push him off, but he don't know. He thinks we're just gonna do the same thing he did to us. Like, you know, in reality, he gonna be crying right now. Don't do it yet. Man. Hey, which one do we need? Go get him. Man, this boy sucks, man. Stop running. Ooh! Is he missing?
All right, y'all. My boy's saying the narc is looking at us too much, so we finna go ahead and slide up out of here, man. We don't. What happened? All right, let's go ahead and get to the back first. But yeah, we finna go ahead and slide out, y'all, man. It's looking a little suspicious in here. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Make sure y'all subscribe. It don't get no better, man. But y'all stay tuned.
Get that.
Hey guys, how you doing? My name's Mike. I'm one of the pranksters.
How you doing, Mike?
Look in the trash can here real quick, okay?
My little cousin, man. My little cousin, man. Y'all ain't have what I need, so I'm finna hit the load. Man, they late. We was gonna leave anyway. Hey, they too late. Hey, man. They biggie, man. Yeah, they too mad. All right, y'all, and I got the SHLIDE crew right here. I'm gonna link all their Instagrams, all that in my description, man. We going crazy with the bangers, man. No more playing, y'all. Man, y'all got anything to say? Hey, man, we'll catch y'all in the next video, man. Let's do it.